Hi guys. So as you all know, we will be uploading our entire regular CA Foundation batch for free on our YouTube channels. So for accounts, you can follow my YouTube channel, that is CA Hina Lotia, and for maths, you can follow the YouTube channel of Aniruddha Gokhale sir. Okay, now since from today we are starting with this batch, I thought a few instructions or few tips before you start watching these videos. So first is I'll upload the lectures. Each day I'll upload one or two lectures at 4 p.m. daily. Now I can see who is attending that lecture daily. So please have this discipline that every day at 4 p.m. Log on to your laptops and see these lectures as if you are attending the live batch. Okay, this discipline will help you, and trust me, you will get the feeling that you are attending the live batch. Okay, now one thing is, since these videos are from our ongoing existing live batch, now at times you will see that in the video I'm interacting with the students. There are students who are sharing the doubts and solving those doubts. We are having fun. We are doing time pass at times. So if you need, you can watch them as per your speed requirement. Certain part of the video you can also skip. However, I would insist that you can at times listen to the doubts of other students from the live batches, as it might help you to clear your own doubts. Now in accounts lecture, what I do is, for some questions I ask students to solve on their own. I give them a stipulated time to take 10 minutes, solve on your own, and then I'll check. So while I do this, you have to pause the video, you have to solve the question on your own and then check along with me. Please do follow all the instructions which are given in the lecture. Trust with the teaching methodology. It will help you to score good marks in your exam and to be confident while facing or writing the paper. Now, one more thing, these lectures are extremely detailed videos. This is how in depth each topic we teach in class, so that our students can aim for rank. Okay, passing is not just the aim, you must score with or clear with fantastic marks, try for all India ranks. So now they do not declare at the foundation level. But the point is that each concept is discussed extremely in detail. I have solved, or we have solved the entire study material. We've solved additional questions. So extensive practice is done, and each concept is discussed at length. So do not have the approach that these are revision lectures. No, they are detailed lectures. Okay, and when you see these lectures, if they are helpful to you, you have any doubts, please leave your feedbacks and doubts in the comment sections. We'll solve them whenever it is possible for us. One more thing, since these lectures are from our live batch and we had a mixed crowd, the language used is Hindi plus English. I'm extremely sorry that the lectures are not in pure Hindi or in pure English. They are a mixture of the language, and so see the videos for yourself if they are understandable for you. I think it should not be a problem, but still see these videos. I hope that they help everyone. Okay, chalo. So these were all the instructions. All the best. 4 p.m. Our first lecture, our first topic is BRS. So log in and be disciplined, and all the best.